Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how to draw a 0.02% offset line method on a stretch and strain graph to find a U point. Okay, so let me show you how you're gonna do that. So say this is your all of your data and you can calculate your stress and strain. So here's my stress and strain and scroll all the way down. At this point here is where's my fracture point is. So I got about 200 data point, right? So if I was to graph it, I will have this. Select all the data, then insert, choose chart, and I'm gonna pick the smooth line right here, and it will give me this. So for graph that, so this is gonna be stress on the y-axis and strain on the x-axis. Right, so normally you gotta find the U point. Usually it's gonna be a pump right there, and you can tell that pump is the U point. But in case like this, you can't tell, right? So you have to use the 0.2% offset line. It's gonna be a parallel line like this. I'm gonna cut at that point, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to do that. First, get a new column, say offset, right? And this offset value, I will select. I'll make it equal to the strain plus 0.002, which is 0.2%, right? I'm gonna have that. So since I have 200 data point, let's say I want it around 100, right? I'm gonna grab 100 data point, and I'm gonna make another column, say offset stress, like that, and this stress gonna be equal to that stretch that you calculate, right? And I'm gonna copy it to this much data point, right? This is what you have, right? And now if you click on that graph here, if you right click it, pick select data. So you have a series 1, which is your stress and strain. Click add, name the series 0.2%, right? The X value, which is gonna be your strain. In this case, it's gonna be the offset column, right? I'm gonna select it right here. Same thing for the Y. Okay, I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna select the offset stress like that. Click OK, and I'm gonna click OK again. So it's gonna give me a orange line, which is gonna be that 100 data point, right? You don't want that curve. You don't want this. You only want it to be around here, right? About 70 of the stress. So around right here. So I'm gonna delete everything below it. Alright, okay, let's delete everything below it. Excuse me. So we're gonna have it like there. Kinda still have this. I'm gonna delete that. Okay, look better. Okay, now you got that. Okay, so this is your first step. Go ahead, pause this video, do the same thing to complete the first test, and go back, and we're gonna extend this line to make it cut the graph. Okay, good. All right, now if you all come back, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Right, now you have this line, right? You want to extend it so it cut this blue line. What you're gonna do is go to data, right? Pick data analysis, right? And scroll down, pick regression right here. Click OK. Now the Y range, you're gonna pick the stress. Y range is gonna be the stress, going to pick a stress, right? The X range, I'm going to put the offset right there. And the output range, I'm going to select output range, click on this, and just choose a cell, right? Click enter, and you say OK, and you have a graph like this. Right, okay. So if you look at it, the last line of the graph it just gave you is have X variable. So the value right next to it, it will be your Young modulus or modulus of elasticity. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it somewhere. Let's see. I'm gonna I'm gonna say Young modulus. Right. I'm gonna copy it right here. Right. Okay, so be careful. This Young modulus gonna have the unit of your stress. So in my case, my stress value is megapascal. So this is gonna be megapascal. All right, just be careful. Now what I'm gonna do is, since I have this, what I'm gonna do is this offset line, right? I want to extend it a little bit. Okay, so let's say if I eyeball it, no, just I'm gonna extend it. Okay, I'm gonna extend it maybe a little bit more. Right there, I'm gonna extend a little bit more. So this is where I stop, right? So this is where so this is where I stopped earlier, and this is what I extended of it, right? So the stress, I need to calculate a new stress, but I'm not gonna do this. No, I'm not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do is select equal. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna copy the Young modulus number. Okay, I'm gonna select equal. Then the Young modulus multiply with the strain, the original strain. Pay attention, it's gonna be the original strain, okay? I'm gonna click that. And now I'm gonna paste it down like that. You see? Now our original orange line is just extended and cut this blue graph right here. But I don't want this long, okay? So I'm gonna delete a little bit of data. Okay, so delete it. Get a bit shorter. I'm gonna delete it. Let's say I want it to be 120. So 120 is right here. I'm gonna delete it right here. So see. So where the point where this blue graph and this orange line touch, right? This will be your U point. So this is what you want to do if you want to calculate the 0.2% offset method, if you want to use that.